Everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this AirPod case. I use 4.5 millimeters hook, 4.5 millimeters yarn. This yarn suitable for 4.5 and 5 millimeters hook. I use cotton yarn. Make a magic circle. Take this yarn, put yarn on your finger like this. Fix this yarn, insert your hook under this yarn. Take working yarn, pull up yarn, make chains in first stitch, yarn over, pull up yarn, make one chain, yarn over, pull up yarn, 2 chains, yarn over, stitch first round in this ring, insert your hook into this ring, pull up yarn. We have 3 yarns on hook, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. We make double crochet in this stitch. I show. Yarn over, go to this ring, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns, make double crochet. We make 1 2 double crochet in here. Go to same ring, this ring, pull through. We have 1 2 3. Repeat 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, 6 double crochet, 7 double crochet, 8 double crochet, 9 double crochet, 10 and 11. We make 11 double crochet in first row. In here we have chains in first stitch. In first round with first chains, in total we have 12 stitches. I show 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 stitches in total. Insert your hook in top of these chains. Take these yarns on your hook, pull up yarn, slip stitch. Make 1 2 chains and go to second row. Yarn over, go to top of this stitch in same stitch in this hole. Make 1 double crochet in first stitch. We have 2 stitches, 1 double crochet with these chains. We have 2 stitches. Go to next stitch. Make 1 double crochet in same stitch. Make 2 double crochet, 1 2. Go to next stitch, 1 double crochet in same stitch, 2. Go to next stitch, 1 2. In next stitch, 1 2, and repeat like this for this row. Make 2 double crochet in each stitch. I show 1 2 and repeat. I made this row until here. I show in last stitch, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. In here, in second row, in total I have 24 stitches. Go to top of first chains, insert your hook, pull up yarn, pull through a slip stitch. In next row, make 2 chains, yarn over, go to same stitch in here, make 1 double crochet. In first stitch we have 2 stitches, 1 double crochet with these chains. In next stitch make 1 double crochet. Go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. In next stitch 1 double crochet. In next stitch 1, go to same stitch, 2, go to next stitch, 1, in next stitch, 1, 2, in next stitch, 1, and repeat like this: 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1, and repeat. I make this row. I show into last stitch. In here I make 1 2 stitches. In next stitch make 1 double crochet. Go to top of first chains, slip stitch. In third round, in total we have 36 stitches. I need 2 of these. I make these stitches. I have 2 pieces. In first rows we have 12. In second rows 24. In third rows we have 36 stitches. In here continue like this. I show. Add 1 chain, go to same stitch, pull up yarn. We have 2 yarns and pull through 2 yarns together, make 1 single crochet, yarn over, skip 1 stitch, go to next stitch. I show, skip this stitch, go to here, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 double crochet stitches in this stitch. Skip 1 stitch, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, make 1 single crochet, skip 1 stitch, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, make 1 single crochet, skip 1 stitch, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Skip one stitch, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, and show. In this side, continue, make 1, 2 chains, yarn over, go to same stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns, 1 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, in next stitch 1 double crochet, and make 1 double crochet in each stitch. I show in this side we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We make 1 double crochet in each stitch 18 times. In top of this stitch, make chains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I make 30 chains in here. Take these yarns in top of this stitch, take these yarns on your hook, pull up yarn, slip stitch. I show. Go to next stitch, in this side make 1 double crochet, 2, we should make 1 double crochet in each stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 stitches like this side. In total we have 36 stitches in here. Go to top of first chains, slip stitch. I show. Cut this yarn. In here, continue. We join these parts together. Count from here. Skip In here we skip 1 2 3 4 5 stitch, go to this stitch like this, take this yarn, go to next stitch in this part and go to 1 2 3 4 5 sixth stitch like this, take yarn, pull up yarn, slip stitch, go to next stitch, take these yarns on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through, slip stitch, go to next stitch, take 2 loops of this side, 2 loops of this side, slip stitch, slip stitch, make 1 slip stitch and join 2 sides together. Așa. We have 1 2 3 4 5 in this side, go to last stitch, pull up yarn, slip stitch, pull up yarn, slip stitch, we skip așa 5 stitches in here, 5 stitches in here like this, cut yarn, hide this yarn under stitches așa. I have 9 centimeters, 9 centimeters, I have 14 grams,